Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers, where every day on this channel we teach you how to make money. This is our aftermarket review where we talk about how the markets moved today, tally up the numbers, and see if we came out ahead. Now, this morning on our Before the Bell, I gave you a couple of stocks that I was looking at this morning. I said that I was buying into PK, Parks, Hotels, and Recreation. I said I was buying into IMPP, and I gave a tip on SIGA. So let's dive into it and see what the numbers look like. Now, I'm still holding the PK stocks. They are up a little over 1% for the day, so I'm pretty happy with that, but I'm looking for a little bit more out of them. I think they've got a ways to go. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. SIGA. It did not go up right after market open like I had thought it would. I went ahead, I watched it ride down. When it got to 11.25, I went ahead and doubled down on the stock. Gave me a 12.75 average, and I ended up cashing out at 12.30. A little bit of a loss on that. Ended up losing 3.6% overall on my money invested on that one. But that's okay, because I cashed out of that and I bought into JP Morgan. I bought that at $121.50 and rode that up to $126, representing a 4.2% gain on that investment. IMPPs was the star of today. I had recommended it, said I was going to look at taking a position at 42 cents right after market open. It dropped down well below that and ended up buying my position in at $39.50. Watched them throughout the day, ended up selling them at 44.01. Represented an 11.6% gain. Now, I'll take that any day of the week. We won't count PK because we haven't sold out of them, so we're going to hold on to that position. But for our money invested today, considering I doubled down on SIGA with what we're up on Morgan and IMPP, we closed out the day at an 8.6% gain, which is huge. On this channel, we don't trade. I don't normally make big 10, 20% trades. We focus on 1, 2% every day. 250 plus trading days a year. If I can get a 1% return on my money daily, that's 250% return a year. That's 25%, 2,500%. We shoot these videos straight through. If I get a little stumbled up, we'll keep rolling. But that's 2,500% more than the average return on the S&P. And that's just at 1% a day. 8.6%, we're starting this video series off right. Be sure and join us in the morning for another episode of Before the Bell, where I'll give you my picks for tomorrow. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe, follow the channel, that way you can get all my morning tips and all my aftermarket closings to see where we're at. Until then, remember, don't trade with your emotion, trade by the numbers.